ना त्वामहं कामये राज्यम न स्वर्गसुखम ना पुनर्भवम कामये दुःख तप्तानां प्राणीनाम आर्तिनाशनम. याचा अर्थ असा की मला राज्य नको, स्वर्ग सुखही नको, पुनर्जन्मही नको. फक्त एवढीच इच्छा आहे की वेदनेने त्रस्त झालेल्या लोकांचे दुःख नाहीसे करण्याचे सामर्थ्य दे. मी डॉक्टर तृप्ती देशपांडे, ISA सांगली मिरज आणि डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ अनेस्थेसिया भारती मेडिकल कॉलेज यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने आयोजित केलेल्या CMEमध्ये आपल्या सर्व सुविद्य मान्यवरांचे हार्दिक मनपूर्वक स्वागत करते. औपचारिक उद्घाटन सोहळ्यासाठी मी व्यासपीठावर सर्व मान्यवरांनी स्थानापन्न व्हावे अशी मी त्यांना विनंती करते. सर्वप्रथम आजचे प्रमुख पाहुणे डॉक्टर HM कदम सर, रिजनल डायरेक्टर भारती विद्यापीठ, डॉक्टर सारा धनवडे मॅडम, डीन भारती मेडिकल कॉलेज, डॉक्टर नणनकर सर, डीन GMC मिरज, डॉक्टर अजित जोशी सर, मेडिकल सुप्रिटेंडंट भारती विद्यापीठ, डॉक्टर शिल्पा गायकवाड, डेप्युटी MS, डॉक्टर ज्योत्स्ना परांजपे मॅडम, HOD अनेस्थेसिया भारती विद्यापीठ, डॉक्टर उल्हास मिसाळ सर, HOD अनेस्थेसिया GMC मिरज, डॉक्टर अशोक देशपांडे सर, नॅशनल GC मेंबर, डॉक्टर वसुधा जाधव मॅडम, प्रेसिडेंट ISA सांगली मिरज, डॉक्टर रुपाली गोरगिले, सेक्रेटरी ISA सांगली मिरज, डॉक्टर विश्राम लोमटे, MMC ऑब्झर्वर. सर्व सुविद्य मान्यवरांचे हार्दिक स्वागत. डॉक्टर प्रदीप पाटील, डॉक्टर अमोल कुलकर्णी, डॉक्टर ठाणेदार मॅडम, डॉक्टर सायमुते आणि डॉक्टर वाडकर यांनी त्यांना एस्कॉर्ट करावं आणि स्टेजवर स्थानापन्न व्हावं. Dr. Mudiraj sir, Deputy Dean, I also request to come on the stage. मी जाधव मॅडमना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपले स्वागतपर मनोगत व्यक्त करावे.
Good morning and warm welcome everyone. Dignitaries on the dais, GMC Dean Dr. Nanankar sir, Deputy Dean BVDU Dr. Nitin Mudiraj, Deputy MS Dr. Shilpa Gaikwad, HOD Anesthesia BVDU Dr. Paranspe Madam, HOD Anesthesia GMC Dr. Misar Sir, GC members National Dr. Ashok Deshpande Sir, MMC Observer, I think he has not come. I welcome all eminent speakers who have come to share their knowledge and experience with us, and most important, all the delegates who have come to gain knowledge from this CME. I also thank all ISA members because our bond is our strength and we have shown it. This CME is a bit different type as it includes the faculties from orthopedics and anesthesiology. Although advanced trauma life support, that is ATLS, was developed by American College of Surgeons, so the management is by multidisciplinary approach. The premise of ATLS is to treat the greatest threat to life first. It gives importance to time-critical interventions, assessment of patient condition rapidly and accurately, resuscitating and stabilizing the patient according to the priority, as Dr. Kotwani said. So, in today's CME, till now, we have heard an excellent lecture about trauma triaging and initial resuscitation by Dr. Manish Kotwani, who is ATLS provider from Sion Hospital, Mumbai. Then we had Focus in Trauma by American anesthesiologist Dr. Hans Eric. Now we will have lecture on anesthesia in trauma patients, where we'll know about anesthetic techniques and anesthetic management by Dr. Deepali Thakur, who is professor from Sion Hospital, Mumbai. Acute trauma patients have some pain, but they need investigations like X-ray and MRI. So for transportation and to make such investigations tolerable, we'll have our most interesting and important topic on arrival blocks by Dr. Joy Shankar Jana, who is senior anesthesiologist and a pain consultant from Pune. Then we'll have informative lecture on how to set up a trauma unit by senior anesthesiologist and professor Dr. Pradnya Bhalerao from Pune. As polytrauma patients have severe pain, so to make their hospital stay tolerable, we have pain management in polytrauma cases by Dr. Varsha Kurade. Next, we have a lecture on musculoskeletal trauma and stabilization by orthopedic surgeon and HOD orthopedics BVDO Dr. Srikant Deshpande. And at the last, we have very interesting interactive session, that is panel discussion by all the panelists. I assure you all that this CME will be knowledge enhancing and informative to all delegates and participants, and the outcome will be that we all will be updated with safe and reliable methods for immediate management of trauma patients. Thank you.
थँक्यू मॅडम. मी डॉक्टर वसुधा जाधव मॅडमना विनंती करते की आपले डेप्युटी डीन डॉक्टर नितीन मुदिराज सर यांचं त्यांनी पुष्पगुच्छ देऊन स्वागत करावं. डॉक्टर नननकर सरांचं स्वागत आमची क्लिनिकल सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर सारिका यांनी करावं. व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर उल्हास मिसाळ सरांचं डॉक्टर रुपाली हे स्वागत करतील. डॉक्टर शिल्पा गायकवाडांचं स्वागत डॉक्टर मनीषा पाटील करतील. डॉक्टर परांजपे मॅडमचं स्वागत डॉक्टर रुपाली करतील. डॉक्टर अशोक देशपांडे सरांचं स्वागत डॉक्टर जाधव मॅडम करतील. डॉक्टर विश्राम लोमटे जे आपले MMC ऑब्झर्वर आहेत त्यांचं स्वागत डॉक्टर मनीषा पाटील करतील. कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात दीपप्रज्वलनाने व सरस्वती वंदनेने होईल. देवी सरस्वती म्हणजे विद्येची अधिष्ठात्री. ही ज्ञान, संगीत, कला, विद्या आणि शिक्षणाची देवी आहे. म्हणूनच तिला वागविलासिनी, चातुर्यार्थ कलाकामिनी, विश्वमोहिनी असं वर्णन ज्ञानेश्वरांसारखे शब्दप्रभू करतात. सरस्वती मुख्यतः पांढऱ्या रंगाशी संबंधित आहे, जी ज्ञानाची शुद्धता दर्शवते. म्हणूनच चंद्राच्या किरणात कुंदाची फुले ओवल्यावर जितका धवलपणा असेल तो तिच्यात आहे. म्हणूनच सौम्य सात्विक रुजू शब्दात सरस्वती वंदना या कुंदेंदू सादर करते आमची मैत्रीण डॉक्टर अपर्णा पुरोहित. मी अपर्णाला स्टेजवर आमंत्रित करते.
या कुंदेंदू तुषार हार धवला, या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता, या वीणावर दंडमंडितकरा, या श्वेत पद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वंदिता, सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती, निःशेष जाड्यापहा. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः, तस्मै श्री नमः. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू अपर्णा. आमच्या येथील सिनियर ॲनेस्थेसिओलॉजिस्ट लोमटे सर जे आमच्या इथे कार्यरत होते प्रोफेसर म्हणून, ते आज आपल्यामध्ये नाही आहेत. आमचा मित्र तत्त्वज्ञ वाटाड्या, आम्हाला सतत नवनवीन ॲकॅडमिक मार्गदर्शन करणारा आमचा सहकारी अचानकच काळाच्या पडद्याआड गेल्यामुळे त्यांची अनुपस्थिती प्रकर्षाने जाणवते आहे. मी डॉक्टर लिमये सरांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी याविषयी आपले मनोगत व्यक्त करावे. लिमये सर.
व्यासपीठावरील मान्यवर आणि उपस्थित डेलिगेट्स, खरं तर मी आजच्या समारंभात थोडीशी ही दुःखाची गोष्ट आपल्याला कायम जाणवत राहते की गेल्या आपल्या वर्षी यशस्वी झालेल्या CMAला हजर असलेला आपला मित्र प्रशांत लोमटे आज आपल्यात नाही आहे. मी प्रशांतबद्दल सांगायचं तर धाराशिव आंबेजोगाईतनं सांगलीतून प्रॅक्टिस सेट करून प्रॅक्टिस अतिशय उच्च पोझिशनला असताना त्याला कर्करोगासारखा दुर्धर आजार झाला 10-12 वर्षापूर्वी, पण अजिबात खचून न जाता त्यानं 10-12 वर्ष त्याच्याशी लढाई तर केलीच, पण त्या अत्यंत पेनफुल प्रोसिजरमध्ये त्यानं समाजाची काळजी केली, कुटुंबाची काळजी केली. त्याचं कोलोस्टॉमी वगैरे झाल्यानंतरसुद्धा त्यानं इतकं छान त्याची प्रॅक्टिस आणि भारतीय विद्यापीठमधली त्याची नोकरी इतकी छान चांगली केली आणि पेशंटना स्वतः पेनमध्ये असताना इतका चांगला पेन रिलीफ दिला की आपल्याला त्याचे फार उणीव जाणवती. त्याचं व्यक्तिमत्व म्हटलं तर अगदी सालस, अजातशत्रू, कायम हसत. मला तर इतकं आठवतं की त्याचं TPN वगैरे चालू असायचं आणि जाता आता आम्ही तर आहे, पण तो स्वतः अत्यंत छान स्माईल द्यायचा. आम्हालाच ते वाईट वाटतं अरे इतका हे झालं आहे. तर त्याचं आज आपल्याला स्मरण येणं अगदी साहजिक आहे. आणि मला अभिमानानं सांगायला वाटतं की त्याच्या ह्या सगळ्या लढाईच्या काळात आपलं असोसिएशन किंवा डॉक्टरचं आपलं सगळं वैद्यकीय विश्व यांनी त्याला खूप सहकार्य केलं. आणि खरं तर सांगायचं तर हेच माणसाचं असतं की जब हम पैदा हुए हम रोए जग हसे हम रोए, ऐसी करणी कर चलो मानव की हम हसे जग रोए. आणि त्याचं आयुष्य अक्षरशः तसं होतं की तो गेल्यावर आजसुद्धा त्याच्या नावानं मनीषा पाटलांच्या डोळ्यात पाणी आलं होतं. दुसरी गोष्ट अशी आहे की त्यानं मग काय मिळवलं याच्यात, तर त्यानं इतके सारे मित्र मिळवले, इतके सारे पेशंट मिळवले. आणि त्याचा मित्रवर्ग खूप होता आणि त्यातलेच एक मित्र, त्याचे मित्र म्हणायचे मित्र, त्याचे कलिग, तो ज्यांच्याकडे काम करायचा आणि तो स्वतः त्यांचा पेशंट होता, डॉक्टर शरद देसाई. त्यांचं तर खूप मैत्रीच्या पलीकडचं एक भावना असेल इतकं त्यांचं दृढ नातं होतं. शाकुंतलामध्ये कालिदास म्हणतो की भावस्थिर आणि जन्मांतर सौहृदानी, म्हणजे असं जे एक पातळीचं हे असतं स्नेहबंध, तो जन्मजन्मांतरीच असतो, तो ह्या जन्मात मिळाला असं नाही, इतकं त्यांचा घट्ट स्नेह होता. आणि ती स्मृती जागे ठेवून त्याला एक अभिवादन म्हणून शरद देसाईने अशी इच्छा व्यक्त केली होती की तुमच्या भूलतज्ञ समाजाला मी जेवण देईन. तर आजचं त्याचं जेवण हे डॉक्टर शरद देसाईंनी आपल्याला दिले. आपण स्पॉन्सर वगैरे अतिशय घाणेरडा शब्द आहे, ती त्याची मित्राप्रती कृतज्ञता म्हणून त्यांनी आज आपल्याला जेवायला दिले. मी डॉक्टर शरद देसाईंचे खरंच आभार मानतो, त्यांच्या मैत्रीला सलाम. आणि त्यांच्या वतीनं म्हणून सत्कार स्वीकारायला मी डॉक्टर लीला देसाई मॅडमना स्टेजवर बोलवतो.
आजच्या कार्यक्रमाचे विशेष अतिथी डॉक्टर नणनकर सर, GMC मिरज डीन यांना मी विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपले मनोगत व्यक्त करावे.
On the dais, of the dais, and office bearers of Sangli Miraj branch of Indian Society of Anesthesia, the faculty of anesthesia of Bharati Vidyapith Medical College and Government Medical College Miraj, and those who are serving the society in capacity of their private practice, that is anesthetists working in private setup. I feel I am speaking in front of the galaxy of stars in anesthesiology. These are not mere words of boosting someone or appreciating someone. Appreciation तर आहेच, पण boost करायचं असं काही त्याच्यामागं इंटेन्शन नाही आहे. The meaning is that by saying galaxy of stars in anesthesia, I mean two things. One is that each one of you is self-sufficient, self-efficient, and stable at your own place like a star. That is one meaning of galaxy. And the second meaning of galaxy is when you refer to our galaxy, Sun and other planets. What is the similarity between the two? The similarity is that Sun is at the center and dissipates its energy and light to all those who are around Sun. In the sense that if you consider these revolving other planets like other clinical specialties, you are at the center point. You are connected with each and every specialty, mostly surgical specialties, so broad and super specialties, and also other areas where your services are required. That is, maybe invasive investigative procedures or some medical procedures, but mainly connected with surgical procedures. When it comes to relief of pain, that is the greatest feeling for a patient. Other symptoms are there, may create a problem later on, but pain is something which is a matter of great concern for a patient. Right from a minor pain of, say, a boil or a small injury, to that worst type of dental pain. I treat dental pain as worst. You cannot do anything. When there is a dental pain, you feel like having muscular pain, headache, and many things. It is worst type of pain. And surgical procedure, post-operative pain किंवा त्याच्या आधी त्या प्रॉब्लेममुळे झालेला जो पेन असतो, the pain prior to that, it is a matter of great concern for patients, and you people give that relief. And that's why the new faculty has come up, that is pain clinic and palliative care. Now your scope has gone beyond that. In connection with anesthesia, let me not talk about days of Shushrut, because I have not witnessed that. But I remember my days when I was in internship. I have seen that basic method of anesthesia, that is reducing fractures or reduction of fractures or small procedures, putting a gauze on nose and ether drop by drop. And you speak with the patient, and the moment he becomes quiet, you perform the procedure. From that moment onwards, at the present moment, and I do not know what developments will go on after this time, the scope of anesthesia has grown to such an appreciable and wide areas, to super specialty. Now almost every specialty has got anesthesia as a separate specialty in that, like cardiac anesthesia, neuroanesthesia, and so on. So it is connected with many specialties, and patients get relief from many of that. Without anesthesia, you cannot imagine anything. No procedure can be performed. That is the reality. When I said earlier galaxy, the meaning is that sun burns itself but gives light and energy to others. Similarly, you are connected with all specialties, maybe behind curtain. To what extent you should be behind curtain, that is up to you. You are the better judge for that. But the role cannot be ignored. The present today's CME, so sometimes when Dr. Misal used to say that, sir, we need anesthesia, a sonography machine, high-end sonography machine for anesthesia. सुरुवातीला माझं थोडं आश्चर्य वाटायचं, पण आज ते माझं apprehension निघून गेलं. So this is a way you have to look at the faculty, and you have to serve people in various capacities. So because you have got many good sessions expected in the time to come today. So without taking much time, I wish Indian Society of Anesthesia and departments of anesthesia and with Bharati Vidyapeeth Medical College, Meerut, and also Government Medical College Meerut, and I wish that, and I'm definitely certainly hopeful that the wisdom which you acquire in this CME, you will definitely dissipate it to your fellow colleagues. Thank you so much.
थँक्यू डॉक्टर नननकर. मी डॉक्टर नितीन मुदिराज सरांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपले मनोगत व्यक्त करावे.
See, dignitary on the dais, of the dais, all speakers and all the delegates, good noon. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University Medical College and Hospital, Sangli. See, this baton passed to me. Because of that, Dr. Sara Dhanawade madam is not there because of some unavoidable evidence. So, I welcome all the speakers across the state and across the country, those who joined online and those who personally came over here to share their knowledge and teach the technical details to improve our personality. The main aim of this CME is the betterment of a skill and overcome all our fears. Without taking much more time, I wish all the best for the remaining program, and once again I welcome all the delegates and the speakers. I would conclude my small speech by saying this: don't take it the other way around. It's not the operation itself that it is concerned. It is the anesthesia that it is a bigger risk than the operation. This is quote by the Sanjay Gupta. Thank you.
थँक्यू डॉक्टर मुदिराज. डॉक्टर रुपाली गोरगिले आता व्होट ऑफ थँक्स.
Good morning to dignitaries on the dais, respected seniors, my dear colleagues and friends and residents. As we are at the end of the inaugural function, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the members who make this CME successful and wonderful. First of all, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Nanankar sir, Dean Government Medical College, for gracing this occasion in his busy schedule. I would like to extend my thanks our guest of honor, Deputy Dean Dr. Mudiraj sir, for attending this function and gracing the function, and their constant support for the all arrangement of the CME. I would like to thank Deputy MS Dr. Shilpa Gaikwad ma'am for their constant help in all arrangement of the CME from the beginning to the end. My sincere thanks to our MMC observer, Dr. Vishram Lomte sir, for agreeing as a MMC observer for this CME, and we hope his cooperation in processing of credit points. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our HOD of the department, Dr. Misa sir, Government Medical College Meerut, and Dr. Josna Paranshame ma'am, HOD of the department, Bharati Medical College, Miraj, for their kind support. My sincere thanks to our National GC member, Dr. Ashok Deshpande sir, for his thorough guidance and for arranging international faculty, Dr. Eric sir from US, and time intervention in getting the MMC credit hours. I also thanks our state GC member, Dr. Sachin Kothare sir, for his active participation and guidance. And I request Sachin Kothare sir to come on the dais. Just now I see him just now in the audience. My sincere thanks to all faculties, Dr. Eric sir, Dr. Joy Shankar Jana sir, Pradnya Bhalerao ma'am, Manish Kotwani sir, Dr. Deepali Thakur ma'am, Dr. Varsha Kurade ma'am, Dr. Shikant Deshpande sir, for accepting our invitation, and their lucid presentations enlightens our knowledge about trauma care and anesthesia, and many more such presentations we are going to listen after this inaugural function. Special mention Dr. Vaibhav Shinde sir from Bharati Medical College Sangli for accepting invitation as a panelist on 11th hour. I would like to thank all our chairpersons, Dr. Maruti Pawar sir, Nasima Kanse ma'am, Kalpana Kulkarni ma'am, Hemani ma'am, Misal sir, Paranshme ma'am, Ashok Deshpande sir, Mohan Patil sir, Somnath Jadhav sir, Tippanwar sir, for accepting our invitation as a chairpersons and making the session interactive. I would like to thank all committee members who work hard and continuously for this CME. From registration committee, Dr. Limay sir, Dr. Sarita Thanekar, Dr. Manisha Patil ma'am, Dr. Mohan Patil sir, and Dr. Katyani Guru. Special mention Dr. Limay sir and Dr. Sarita Thanekar for meticulous maintaining of the registration data and making the process smooth. Dr. Katyani for arranging all the folders and badges in time. I would like to thank stall committee members, Dr. Sarika ma'am, Dr. Ankita Gosavi, Vinayak Patil sir, Sachin Kothare sir, for getting almost 10 stalls. Special mention Dr. Ankita, who arranged almost 5 stalls and nice gift arrangements. I would like to thank Travel Accommodation Committee, Dr. Pradeep Patil, Dr. Shivananda Kore, Preetam Adsule, Rupesh Bosle, Aparna Purohit, for nice hotel arrangement and looking after travel transportation. I would like to thank Food Committee, Dr. Tanuja ma'am, Manisha Malgave ma'am, Bharti Shivannawar sir, ma'am, for food arrangement, better food arrangement. I would like to thank stage committee member, Dr. Trupti Deshpande ma'am, Paranita Kate, Shilpa Pawar, Smita Ainapure ma'am, and special mention Trupti ma'am, Pranita and Dr. Shilpa, who works continuously and hard for all looking after stage arrangements. I would like to thank Dr. Trupti Deshpande ma'am and Ruta Kulkarni for nice MOC conduct, and special mention Dr. Ruta, who is a joint secretary and unloads almost my 50% work by constant help. Special thanks to Dr. Shubham Raute and Dr. Venkat, residents from GMC and Bharati Medical College, for helping me on 11th hours. My sincere thanks to Bharati Medical College Management and HR System for providing this auditorium and help in CME arrangement. Mr. Vinayak from Bling Media for flash designing and certificate designing. Mr. Nyanesh Limay for capturing our beautiful moments. Mr. Patil from Lakshmi Decorators for stall arrangements and selfie point. Mr. Pise, caterer, for delicious food. Mr. Ghadge from Sharp Vision for uninterrupted audio visual setup and even capturing a live session from the US. Bapu Rajput for managing registration counter and maintaining all the data smoothly. I would like to thank all companies for their enthusiastic participation in organizing this CME, mainly Neon, Hetero, Questus, BPL, Instas, Allied, Philips, and Scanrays. Last but not least, all the delegates who attend this CME and make this CME successful. And excuse me if I miss someone, and thank you once again.
थँक्यू डॉक्टर रुपाली. मी प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर जाधव मॅडमना विनंती करते की त्यांनी सचिन कोठावळे सरांचं स्वागत करावं. उद्घाटन सोहळा संपन्न झालेला आहे असं मी जाहीर करते.